In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your digital products on a Wix website step by step. First, you'll need to navigate over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on Edit Site. This will open up the website you wish to use for selling your digital products. Next, ensure that Wix Stores is installed on your site. This application is necessary for handling product sales on Wix, whether they are physical or digital. Now click on Store Pages. From there, navigate to the product page. Once you've opened that, proceed to Manage Products. At this point, you'll want to go to your dashboard, find Store Products, and click on Plus New Product. Here, select Digital Products since we are focusing on digital items. Enter the product name, let's say something like eBook Ultimate Guide. Make sure to craft a compelling product description and add any relevant images or preview screenshots to make it visually engaging for potential buyers. The next step is to upload your digital file. Click on Upload File and choose the file you wish to sell. This could be a PDF, an ebook, software, or any templates you've designed. One of the fantastic features of Wix is that it allows for automatic delivery to your customers immediately after they make a purchase. Following this, you'll need to set the price for your digital product. If your product requires any, include instructions for its use or activation during this step. It's also a good idea to add tags or categories to facilitate easier navigation within your store. To ensure seamless transactions for your buyers, enable the automatic delivery feature within the digital product settings. This setting will automatically email a download link to your customer right after their purchase, providing instant gratification and efficiency. Having set up your products, you'll now want to configure the payment methods. On your dashboard, go to Settings and then Accept Payments. It's crucial to enable different payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, or credit debit cards to offer your customers a variety of transaction options. Be sure to also test the checkout process to make sure that payments are processed smoothly. Before we wrap up, let's make your products visible to the world. Go ahead and publish your product by making it visible on your store page. Take some time to customize the Add to Cart button as well as the layout and styling to ensure it matches your site's overall look. Preview the page to confirm everything is in order. Lastly, handling orders post-sales is straightforward. When a customer buys a digital product, Wix takes care of sending the download link via email. You can monitor sales and track orders by going to Dashboard and then Store Orders. If customers encounter any issues, you have the option to resend download links. Some final tips: use high-quality previews or sample pages to attract buyers, offer bundles for multiple products, and maintain clear download instructions. Monitor sales with Wix Analytics and protect your products with clear license terms. And there you have it, the complete guide to selling your digital products on Wix.